Hello and welcome to the morning podcast with Asavari. Here we share all the important details that you need to know before taking a trade. So let's take a quick glance at global market. US stocks posted gains on Monday as a sign of US economy recovery helped to offset the jitters over increasingly violent social unrest due to ongoing pandemic and rising US China tensions. Asian shares were set to under pressure on Tuesday following a dip in Wall Street futures as US President Donald Trump vowed to use the force to end the violent protests in American cities. The Indian shares are likely to open on higher or a flat note on Tuesday as gains in Asian peers may be countered by domestic economic woes. The trends on SGX Nifty indicate positive opening with a gain of 28.50 points. Nifty futures were trading around 9,805 level on Singaporean exchange. Oil prices rose in early trade on Tuesday, with traders waiting to see whether major crude producers agree to extend the huge output cuts to shore up the prices at the meeting expected later this week. The rupee appreciated 8 paisa to close at 75.54 against the USD on Monday. Let's take a look at few important headlines. Moody's Investor Services has downgraded India's foreign currency and local currency from Baa2 to Baa3. The Union Cabinet has approved changes in the definition of micro, small, and medium enterprises, that is MSMEs. It raised the total turnover limit for medium enterprises to rupees 250 crore and enterprises with 1 rupees 1 crore investment and 5 crore of turnover would now qualify as micro enterprises. Lastly, let's take a look at few stock specifics. Hero MotoCorp reported total sales of 1.12 lakh units in May, including domestic sales of 1.8 lakh units. Coal India's production fell down by 11.3% year on year. Tata Power has acquired 51% equity stake in TP Central Odisha Distribution Limited. And lastly, NCC, the company has received new 4 orders worth rupees 1136 crore pertaining to water and building divisions in May from state government agencies. Thank you. That's all from my side. I hope you are staying safe and have a safe trading. Thank you.